Are you tired of getting flooded with email notifications from Instagram? Today, we'll guide you through the quick and easy steps to disable those pesky email alerts on your PC. So let's get started. First, open your Instagram account on your computer. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and access your profile. Once you're in, look for the More icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. It's represented by 3 horizontal lines or a similar symbol. Click on it to expand the menu. Next, select Settings from the drop-down list. This is where you can manage various aspects of your Instagram account. Once in Settings, find and click on Notifications. Now that you're in the Notifications section, you'll see a variety of options related to how Instagram communicates with you. Look for the Email Notifications category and click on it. This will bring up a list of different types of email notifications you currently receive. Lastly, here's the crucial part. Disable the notifications you no longer want to receive. You can toggle off any unwanted alerts, such as messages, follows, or activity updates. Just click the switch next to each notification type until it's turned off. And that's it. You've successfully minimized Instagram's email notifications on your PC. No more cluttering your inbox with unnecessary updates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your social media accounts effectively. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more peaceful Instagram experience.